I'd like to put something together that makes people just see and talk about different things. I'm wanting to make pieces that bring people together. I was an Air Force brat, so I grew up overseas. I went to school in Portugal, actually, but an Air Force base, so an American school overseas. And then I graduated high school and immediately joined the Coast Guard. I was an operational specialist in the Coast Guard. Everywhere I went, I did something new. I was stationed in Puerto Rico, where I was a search and rescue and counter-narcotics watchstander, if you will. If you called 911 and you were on a boat, you were more than likely talking to me. But I also worked in DC at the National Capital Region Air Defense Facility. We're the first line of defense for unidentified flying objects into the DC area. So everywhere I went was something new, and I think that's translated over into constantly wanting to move and see what new opportunities there are for me. I got out, I went to school in Michigan for TV and digital media production, and then I moved to Dallas and I found MediaTech and went from TV and digital media production into recording arts. So I did the whole recording arts and now I'm in film. Recording arts was great. I loved it, but as I went through the program, I realized that my mind is a little bit more on the business side. I wanted something that was 100% out of my comfort zone. I don't know how to play an instrument. I don't know how to sing, except in my car. I'm really good at it. And so I just wanted a program that was hard for me and exciting. You know, something that in the end would give me a job that was not necessarily just another office job. So it was really actually kind of difficult for me to do recording arts because I didn't hear the music and the beats the same way, the nuances that make a song great or not. So I've realized that my passion is a little bit more in administration. I think that's great, and I think it translates over. Pitching, business ideas, proposals, all of that kind of stuff is the same in any business. So going from film to music is helping me see different sides and different ways to do it, but essentially the knowledge base is still the same. What sets MediaTech apart from other schools is that it is a technical school, so all classes, with the exception of a few general education classes, are focused on what you're going to school for. So in recording arts, it was all hands-on, all labs and all assignments were focused on that art, which was recording music. I don't know where my career will go. I want the ability to see where I can go. I want to get into another company and see how they are at the fundamental level, you know, business-wise, starting out and getting a little bit of experience right now. So I want to see where that takes me.